Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to pause search history on YT Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to pause the search history on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening a YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here where you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on the settings button over here just above the help and feedback, and over here we'll be required to tap on the privacy and data option available for us just below the notifications. Tap on privacy and data, and you can see, guys, over here you can see the fourth option that says pause search history. Now in order to pause the search history from being recorded on the YT Music app, make sure this toggle icon is turned on by tapping on it, and tap on the pause button when this box appears. And by that, guys, all of your search history on the YT Music app will be paused and it will not be recorded on your history. And that being said, guys, this is how to pause search history on YT Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.